Hi, today I'm going to pick up where I left off with unboxing first impressions and go into the details of the Center-drive multi-tool from Gerber. I will begin from the outside of the multi-tool and then into the inside, then moving onto the bit carrier and finishing up with the sheath.
Please check the description below for the links to the unboxing video and the table of contents for this video. I'd like to hear your comments too.
I'm going to start with the Center-drive bit driver, where the tool gets its name from. It locks out, seen here. The name is acquired by the fact that the axis of the bit is in line with the center mass of the body. This provides a lot of leverage in twisting action. The bit itself is held in place by a magnet, seen here, shiny dot. The bit itself is a standard 1/4 inch bit that can be purchased from any hardware store or tool shed. The liner lock, push in and release, and the tool folds right back into the body. Moving on to the knife blade, seen here, it has a black oxide finish, or at least it appears to be. Liner lock. It has a 3.25 inch blade length with a 3-inch cutting edge, seen here. It's a flat grind with a bevel grind for the edge. Good size blade. Folds up and back into the body. Moving on to the next tool, the plier head. The button right here, push in and forward until it locks. The jaws are spring loaded to the open. The plier head has a black oxide finish. The plier head also incorporates 3 different tools, starting with the wire cutters, both standard and hard. It's rotatable, standard pliers, and needlers right here. Moving to the inside of this tool, flipping it round. Note on the left side here, you see the 3-inch ruler and the 8.3 centimeter ruler. Right here, X-channel rail system that allows the plier head to slide in and out smoothly. Then to retract the head, pull back on the lever or the button. Locks the body up. Now, moving right back inside the tool itself. Moving into the first tool, this is a spare bit holder. That is a 7/32 flathead screwdriver bit. Make sure you hear the audible click that indicates that it's properly stored. There is no magnet to hold the bit in, it's spring tension. And closed it, click. This is a better view of the 3-inch and the 8.3 centimeter ruler. Pulling out the file blade here. Hold it out till the tool lock engages, demonstrating the tool lock. It also incorporates the lanyard hole. The blade consists of cross-cut coarse and a single cut fine. Black oxide finish. You fold, pull back on the tool lock like this. fold up into the body. The next tool is the awl, primarily for punching holes in thick or tough material like leather or canvas. It has a short false edge to the tip. Overall length of the awl is 1 1/4 inch long from the tip to the body of the tool with a black oxide finish. To close, push the tool lock and fold the blade in. The next blade is a pry bar, nail puller, and bottle opener. Having just received the Center-drive, I have not had the opportunity to check out the pry bar and nail puller yet. Due to its apparent size, what type of material used in its construction, and the amount of leverage, I can only speculate what it can handle. As shown during the unboxing video is the apparent chip from the pry bar blade edge. I don't know if it was a casting flaw or during finishing of the tool. I plan on returning the Center-drive either for repair or replacement. Under warranty, I should not have any problems. This is the pry bar edge right here, along with the nail puller and bottle opener. Has a black oxide finish. To fold, again, push the tool lock in like this, fold down, demonstrate the lockout, rotate into the body like this. The next tool is the Serrated knife blade. It too has a black oxide finish like the other tools. Dimensional length is about 2.5 inches overall with a 2 3/8 inch cutting edge, and utilizes the tool lock. Push in the tool lock, rotate the blade back into the body. Once all the tools have been properly stored, retract the plier head, seen here. This locks the tool up so it does not open up. This is a good view of the lanyard hole, part of the tool lock itself. Moving on to the next item, the bit holder, then followed by the sheath. This is the spare bit carrier. There is a total of 14 different bits. 12 are stored in the rubber spare bit carrier. The other 2 are in the Center-drive Multi-tool. A 7/32 flat blade bit in the spare bit holder and a number 2 Phillips in the center axis bit driver. A number 1, number 3 Phillips, an S1, S2 square drive, T10, T15 torque bits, 5/32, 3/16, 1/4 flat blade, a 9/64, 5/32, and a 3/16 hex bits. This is made of rubber polymer, very flexible. Since I'm planning to return this right here, I'm not going to do this one though. I want to make a hole and attach a lanyard and attach it to the sheath right here. And moving on to the sheath. The sheath overall appears to have a double stitching, very solid, Velcro closures. The main compartment for the tool is an elastic, goes all the way around. The bit carrier pouch is sewn directly to this piece of elastic, so it's kind of piggyback. Very stretchy. I'm going to insert the Gerber multi-tool into the main pouch or sheath portion of it, pocket. Then the bit carrier into its own pocket. Both are a snug fit. Close the flap over it with the Velcro. On the back side you have 3 sets of belt loops. This is the 2-inch here, measured out for horizontal carry. And then underneath, right here, that is best guess about 1.25 inch belt loop. Trying to slip the ruler in there so you have a better idea how it functions. And then you have a vertical belt loop, as I show it here. Also carries for the 2-inch belt. Overall, very solid construction, very compact. Removal of the bit carrier, and then removal of the multi-tool. Gerber, made in USA. Bit carrier, bits. There you have it. I'll demonstrate the plier head deployment, the bit driver, and the knife, which you saw in the center-drive video by Gerber. The knife was easy to deploy. The bit driver takes a bit more practice to be fluid in deployment. I hope you enjoyed viewing this clip. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Check the description for more info and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in other videos.